Welcome. My name is Mrs. Harrison, and I am a science teacher. The topics that I teach are biology and applications of biotechnology. Biology is the study of life, and in biology, we're going to learn about cells and evolution, genetics, ecology, organisms, and classification. And applications of biotechnology will build on what students have already learned from Essentials of Biotechnology. And these are some of the topics. We're going to learn more about DNA and proteins. We'll learn about ELISA and do Western blots and gel electrophoresis. And so they'll be building on skills that they learned in Essentials of Biotechnology. Here is our schedule, and so on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, we will follow this schedule. Wednesday is an instructional support day, and so students will be able to work on their assignments. If they need extra help or tutoring, Wednesdays will be the day that they can come have tutoring and meet with their teachers for tutoring. Fridays will be slightly adjusted. We have our literacy block on Friday. And so on Friday, fourth period will begin at 12:30 instead of 12:20. And the first 20 minutes of third period will be our literacy block. Okay, so here are our online norms. And so we ask your student to be on time, mute their audio upon entry, make sure their name is listed, ask questions in the chat, answer questions in the chat, make sure that they're staying focused and participating, and make sure that they are showing their face. And we all will be respectful and compassionate. And here are some of our online learning expectations. So it would be good if your students have a daily routine, that they establish a daily routine. Make sure they find a comfortable, quiet space to study. Be mindful of background noise and movements during class. Make sure that they are completing their assignments with integrity and honesty, and then communicate proactively with their teacher. So if your student ever needs any additional support, then make sure that they are communicating with their teacher, and we will provide that additional support. And I say we because I teach biology with a co-teacher. My co-teacher is Coach Bird. And here is the grade breakdown for biology as well as applications of biotechnology. And so you guys can see that they are the same. So our test will account for 30% of your student's grade. Labs and projects will also be 30%. Daily assignment quizzes are 20%, and the final exam will be 20%. Okay, so it is so important that we keep the lines of communication open. So I'm asking your students to make sure that they have joined the class Remind, and there are the codes listed below. Parents can also join the Remind, and the Remind will be a way for me to communicate with your students important information. If the technology of CTLS is not working, I will communicate what the plan B will be for that day through Remind. So it's key that your child signs up for Remind. Also, make sure that you are regularly monitoring CTLS Learn, Student View, and Remind, and email for announcements and feedbacks. There is a section in CTLS where I'll call announcements, and that's where important dates will go, and important information about the class will go in that announcement section. Okay, so the supplies needed for the class are listed below. Office hours and tutoring. So I will be available on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1:35 to 3:45. Please make an appointment via email. If your student needs tutoring, have them make an appointment by email. If you ever need to speak to me, you can also make an appointment during those hours. All right, so here's information. You can go to cobbk12.org to get more information about our standards. I would also highly recommend that parents sign up for Parent View, and that's a way that you can gain access to your students' grades and just kind of monitor how they are performing in each class. There's a lot of information on the South Cobb website, so if you have any questions, you can visit the South Cobb High School website, and there's tons of information on that website. I look forward to this semester working with you and your student. I am available via email. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. And have a great day.